This is a real pattern. From real expense reports, a company that doesn't really use AI, paying for 11 AI tools. Nobody lied. Nobody was hiding. There was just no list. Today, 3 questions that build the list in 30 minutes, and the one-page policy you hand over when you're done. First, reframe. Shadow AI isn't rebellion. It's initiative with no guardrails. People grab tools because the tools work. Your job isn't to ban, it's to see. Because somewhere in that unseen pile, someone is pasting client data into a free tier chatbot on a personal account, and you can't protect what you don't know exists. Question 1 lives in the expense system. Pull 90 days, search the vendor list. OpenAI, Anthropic, Perplexity, Jasper, Otter, 11 Labs, Midjourney, 10 minutes. And a tip, personal card reimbursements count double. That's someone who wanted the tool badly enough to float the cost themselves. Question 2 lives in your DNS or web gateway logs. Top AI domains by unique users. You're measuring, not blocking. Block on day 1 and usage doesn't stop. It just moves to phones. And now you're blind and confident. The worst combination in security. Question 3 is a sentence, said to team leads. Exactly like this. What AI tools does your team use to get work done? Nobody's in trouble. I need the list so I can protect it. The amnesty framing is the entire trick. Punish honesty once, and you go blind forever. Ask it right, and question 3 finds the tools questions 1 and 2 missed. Now sort. Approve the harmless. Approve with rules the useful. And the rule that matters is about data, not tools, client data, credentials. And regulated data go only into approved tools. Replace the dangerous. The ones seeing sensitive data with no sanctioned alternative? Write those 3 buckets down, and congratulations. That's an AI policy. 1 page. The free kit below has the template, the inventory database, and the whole drill. The Shadow AI Starter Kit is free in the description. Policy template, tool inventory, the full drill. The Tuesday newsletter goes deeper every week. And if the governance habit sticks, AxiomLens is there when you're ready. See you Tuesday.